Mr. Irfan Razack of Prestige Estates has joined us. We're waiting for you, Mr. Razack. Thank you very much for joining us. Okay, you had posted very good quarterly numbers, though, a few investors complained that it was a tad below their estimates. Revenues were not up to their estimates. Is it because there were no big projects that were realized this quarter?
Good morning. Actually, again, this is a question of revenue recognition. I think we've recognized a fair bit of revenue even this quarter. And that revenue will get kicked up in the next 2 quarters because tad more projects will be added up to the revenue recognition. All in all, I think even this quarter, in terms of financial performance, we are quite happy with what we've done. And at the same time, even the operational performance wise, I think we did a spectacular amount of sales and getting closer and closer to the guidance that we had given in terms of sales for the whole financial year. And we are pretty confident on all these notes, and things on ground are pretty good.
Mr. Razack, hi, good morning. So when you say things on ground are pretty good, if you could tell us the kind of launches that you have planned next and the kind of pricing or realizations that you would expect over the next few quarters.
Yeah, see, now last quarter we launched a couple of properties called Prestige Temple Bells, Prestige Gulmohar in the mid segment. And then in the luxury segment, we launched the Prestige Leela Residences next to the Leela Palace Hotel on Airport Road, Old Airport Road in Bangalore. And we also launched a Prestige Tranquility, which is again a luxury development in CBD. Now, having done all that, now the focus will be to see that we get the sales and the realizations from these projects. This quarter, there is no plan for us to launch any more new projects because we already have a lot of the launches that we have done, so we need to see and stabilize and consolidate our positions on that. And going forward, maybe the last quarter of the year we'll have a few launches, including other cities like Hyderabad and Kochi, where we are getting ready with the marketing material and the approvals, and once they fall in place, we'll be ready to do some large launches in those cities. So I think the whole mood is pretty bullish.
You will maintain your margins at 28 plus?
Yeah, I think that's the whole focus, because while we have a blend of different types of products, the whole thing is without overcharging the customer, how we can work in an efficient manner, because I always have been saying this right across my career is no one is willing to either pay you for your extravagance or for your inefficiency. How I can produce my product efficiently and offer it at a fair price to my customer and still get my margin. So that's been always a challenge for everyone, and somehow we are achieving that.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Mr. Razack, pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much for joining us with an outlook on Prestige Estates.